Who is eligible for public service loan forgiveness through the U.S. Department of Education? Breaking news for anyone dealing with student loans. The question on many minds today is, who is eligible for public service loan forgiveness through the U.S. Department of Education? If you work in public service and are hoping for relief from your student loans, this is the information you need. The Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program, created in 2007, aims to forgive federal student loans for borrowers in qualifying public service jobs. To qualify, borrowers must make 120 monthly payments, which is equivalent to 10 years of payments, while working full-time for eligible employers. Eligible borrowers often include individuals employed by government organizations at any level, whether federal, state, local, or tribal. Certain nonprofit organizations classified under Section 501(c)(3) of the Internal Revenue Code also qualify. Additionally, some other nonprofit organizations that provide public services, such as education, health care, and public safety, may be included. Specific jobs that qualify include teachers, nurses, firefighters, public defenders, military service members, and employees of qualifying nonprofit organizations. To be eligible, borrowers must have direct loans or consolidate other federal student loans into a direct loan. They must also make payments under an income-driven repayment plan or the standard 10-year repayment plan. Recent developments have introduced potential changes to eligibility criteria. The U.S. Department of Education, during the Trump administration, proposed rules allowing the Education Secretary to exclude certain nonprofit employers from eligibility if they engage in activities with a substantial illegal purpose. This could impact organizations providing controversial services, raising concerns about political influence on eligibility. Under the Biden administration, efforts have been made to expand eligibility and simplify the process. A temporary waiver allowed more borrowers to count previously ineligible payments and a broader range of public service jobs toward forgiveness. These changes led to a significant increase in the number of borrowers receiving loan forgiveness. To summarize, eligibility for public service loan forgiveness requires employment full-time by a qualifying government or nonprofit employer. Borrowers must hold eligible federal student loans, make 120 qualifying payments, and meet any additional criteria set by the Department of Education. It is essential for borrowers to stay informed about current rules and monitor updates from the Department of Education, as eligibility requirements may shift due to ongoing policy changes. This program remains a key option for public service workers seeking relief from federal student loan debt after a decade of dedicated service.